And good morning. We're saying good morning from Canada, more specifically, Toronto. Now before I start today's vlog, let's go back to yesterday and take it from the beginning. Started the day off in cold rainy Manchester at 3 AM. First thing on my list, a quick 2.5-hour flight to Brussels. Should we go, Arash?
Yep.
In Brussels airport, playing the piano, drinking coffee, trying to waste time to catch my next flight to Toronto. Finally brings me here to Toronto. 13 hours, 3,800 miles, and about 4 or 5 Red Bulls later. And I'm pretty tired, so let's skip straight to tomorrow. Here I am at Fairview Shopping Centre, and the reason I'm here is because, like always, I've forgotten something. And this time what I've forgotten is my luggage case. Well, it's technically not my luggage case, it's actually my mum's and my little brother's, which means the guy, the oldest one in the house, gets the blame, which aka is me. So here I am, I'm going to buy some stuff for the little one because we're gonna go some places tomorrow, and it is very important that I get some stuff before I kind of, you know, get the blame. Bad news, guys. Yeah, I left my spare batteries at home, which meant when I got to the shopping centre and my camera battery died from yesterday, I couldn't change it because I didn't have any spare batteries, which meant half the day was spent without a camera and vlogging, which is not really good. But yeah, I'm sorry, guys. What better way to end the day? At least there's some good news. What better way to end the day with than to have some, what's this place? Wimpy's. No, like no Wimpy's. Domino's. Let's go have some Domino's, guys. I know what I want. I want the standard margarita large, and let's get some potato wedges in there, because potato wedges at Domino's are just standard, but still I just love potato wedges in general. Let's go in. That's it for me today. I know it's a short vlog, but I do hope you guys enjoyed the editing and the way I vlog, and I wish there was a second person that could kind of hold this camera the whole time for me, instead of me kind of holding on this little gorilla pod, and that would have made my life very much easier, and I wouldn't have to switch hands every time, because it does actually get to you when you've got your straight arm out, and then I'm complaining now. That's it for today, guys. I'm gonna end this vlog with a bit of drone, a bit of Toronto in general, and a bit of snow. So thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe for more, and have a blessed day, guys. Peace.